learn NUER language. Okay, what I'm about to talk about is how you can interview someone who is NUER or who speak NUER, or maybe you want to know how to say it. What's your name? How old are you? All that. Okay, they just start. You be like, what's your name? What's your name? Okay. Mm. What's your name? In where we say it, shall, should, do. Shall, should, do, the. Okay. Shall, should, do. What is your name? Shall, should, do, the. Shall, should, do, the. There might be space. Should, do, the. Shall, should, do, the. Okay. You might respond like, my name is Chankwad. Okay, that's my name. My name is Chankwas. In where we said shall, should, the Chankwad. Shall, should, the Chankwad. Your name might be John. You simply say it. Shall, should, the John. Shall, should, the James. Shall, should, the Peter. Shall, should, the Matthew. Okay, all that very simple. What's your name? Shall, should, do the. Shall, should, the Chankwad. Shall, should, the John. Shall, should, the James. Shall, should, the Peter. Okay. Next one. You be like, how old are you? Sorry. Let me do this. Okay. How old are you? Okay. Got somebody like that. In where we say, Tika run dang di. Tika run dang di. How old are you? Tika run dang di. Like you be like, I'm 25. Yeah. Sorry. Excuse my typing. I'm 25. Okay. Alright. Something like that. But in where we say it, Takarun karun T jandara with the DH. Takarun the jandara with the DH. Takarun the jandiok. Takarun the janwan. Takarun the janbakel. Takarun well diok. Takarun well DH. Just in that simple way. Okay. Thank you for this quick introduction. If you have anything, please drop it there. I'm just here to give you some of the good basic, okay? Okay, thank you for stopping by.